Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the elements and in elements classification, that is metals, non-metals, noble gases and metalloids. Now non-metals, we will discuss about the non-metals. These non-metals are soft solids or gases, and these never shine. These do not shine, never shine, and these are non-mealable, and these are non-ductile and low boiling and melting point. Okay, non-metals are soft solid and gases. Nothing but these non-metals are in gaseous. For example, sulfur or iodine, they are soft solids. Suppose if you take sulfur, for example, I am saying students, sulfur or iodine, these are the soft solids, isn't it? And gaseous, what are gaseous? For example, we can take oxygen, nitrogen. Okay, these are the gases and non-metals. Some non-metals are in liquid also. These are soft solids or gaseous, and some non-metals are liquid also. For example, bromine, mercury, etc. Can take. Okay, got it. These are in liquid state at room temperature. So non-metals are soft solids or gaseous or liquid also. For example, for solid sulfur and iodine, for gaseous oxygen and nitrogen, and for liquids bromine, mercury, etc. Got it. And these non-metals are not shiny. These non-metals are the not shiny. For example, you take sulfur. Does sulfur will shine? No. But some of the non-metals will shine. For example, you take iodine. Iodine will shine. If you want, you can ask to your teacher. She will show the iodine definitely in the lab. Got it? Iodine. It will shine. Some of the non-metals, only few. For example, iodine. It will shine. But most probably, these non-metals are non-shiny. Okay. And these are non-mealable. Nothing but mealable. Nothing but we can take it as a copper. For example, we are taking here copper. We can take it as a wire, no? We can bend it, no? But here, these non-metals are not mealable. Okay, these non-metals are non-mealable. For example for non-mealable, coal. We have a coal. Okay, if you take we can see a carbon in the coal. This is a coal. Coal contains carbon. So carbon is a non-metal. Suppose if I take a coal and beat with an hammer, what will happen? It will get some pieces, isn't it? If it does not make a sheet. Okay, so this is called as non-mealable. Sorry, Nana, this copper wire is not here. Non-ductile for this copper wire is for non-ductile. Ductile nothing but we can make a wire like a copper, isn't it? But these non-metals are non-ductile. We can't make like a wire. And non-malleable nothing but in a, if I for example if I take a coal, we can see a carbon atom in a coal, carbon in a coal. So carbon is a non-metal. Suppose if I take a coal and beat with a hammer, what it happens? It does not make a sheet, it just broken pieces. Okay, and these non-metals have low boiling and melting points. Low boiling and melting points, but it can boil in room temperature. These non-metals are boiling in room temperature. For example for non-metals are sulfur, bromine, chlorine, etc. Got it? And next, non-metals. This is all about the non-metals. Now we'll discuss about the metalloids. Metalloids. Here we can take only definition of the metalloids. You can see this about briefly in your higher studies. Now here we can discuss brief about the metalloids. Here these metalloids elements, here the elements show properties of both metals and non-metals. Nothing but element shows both metals and non-metals. These elements that shows both metals and non-metals. Got it? For example, I am saying these elements can show both the metal and non-metal properties. This is called as metalloids. For example, silicon, boron, like that you can take. This is called as metalloids. These silicon and boron can show both the metals and non-metal properties. This is called as the metalloids. And now we'll discuss about the noble gases. These are noble gases, nothing but these are gaseous elements. These are gaseous element, and it has an important property, students, that is these are unreactive. Noble gases are unreactive, nothing but these do not react with chemical. Got it? These are gaseous elements. Definition: these are the elements that are unreactive, do not react with other element, other element. Nothing but these do not react with chemically with other element. These are the gaseous elements. Noble gases are the gaseous elements, and these elements are unreactive, and these do not react with chemically with other elements. For example, you can take helium, helium, neon, radon, krypton. Here are the some example. Suppose if I take hydrogen atom. Hydrogen. And it can react with another hydrogen. What it forms? Something it forms. Okay. So these are reacted with other chemical. But here helium, neon, radon, krypton and other some examples we can take up. Gases as a noble gases. These are unreactive with another chemical. Helium does not react with any other chemical. Okay, this is called as noble gases. Got it. This is all about the non-metals elements, and these elements are classified into 4 groups: metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Got it. Okay students, thank you. If you like the video, please support with like, subscribe and share. Thank you.